pumpkin, bean, tomato, and them thing the farming, the cassava. Deal with if you know, say, carry on a thing the right now, say, I have plant of food to go and eat and them something there, you see me? I say system set.
How you managed the rain last week and the week before? Grapes and Ida?
You know, say, I mash up a lot of things to me see how we still, but I'm not down here, sir.
So which part you had a farm there?
Plowing.
Plowing?
Yeah.
Oh, crossover, so?
Yeah.
So like where you have on the farm there?
Tomato and them thing there. We just sketch up on sweet pepper.
So it's about how much acre height you have?
No, about call it a 4 square.
Oh, square. But your estimation about how much you lose in terms of money wise?
No, call it's about 40 grand. As I look a small farmer, they go and try a thing. You see me, I'm not going to tell you something they big in it. You see me? And I juggle there, I can buy them all and them things to deal with it.
The what? Where you buy?
The fertiliser.
Okay.
So we call it mold. You see me for mulch and the spray and them thing there.
Yeah man, you have two of the major farmer in the Junction Bull Savannah area. The storm has damaged their crop in a very serious way. So we are going to look at their farm and to highlight the damage that was done.
Ida Grace. Well, I say the first one caused significant damage. It forced me to actually take up a large percent of my produce cheaply. It cost me, well, you see a carrot garden behind me, so we had also done because breeze damage them. You call it wind damage. When you leave bust up, you can't really sell that. So you call it wind damage. So that have affected me. And well, the last one now kill about a few thousand hybrid sucker are flooding. Right? So basically those are the two subjects we have to focus on. Recover from the damage of the vegetable and the damage of the skeleton feel water run through and mash up at the top. If you notice a field longer so you can see where the grass remove totally from the field and dislodge some of the mulch in the forest area. You can look out here, just where the water come through, dislodge, damage this field. Water was swept along here, the whole entire field flooded and was wiped out with younger plants. And all of these plants have been stuck. We try wet them and try resuscitate them, we replant them back, but we recover from the flood. You notice this area, the water actually swept this area. So we actually try to recover. What happened when you have heavy rain is that the nutrition program would have been messed up. So you put on fertilizer and with a consistent rainfall, it doesn't mean that your nutrients are sink below the root zone. So all of the farmers in this year, including myself, have to think about removal. And the problem we face now, one bag of mold in this area, I don't know if it's the entire island, it's almost $10,000, $9,800, $9,700 for 100 pound bag of mold, fertilizer. The average farmer within this area, small farmer, use an average about 4 or 5 bags per month. And his field. So you're looking at a farmer looking at about 48,000 to start back over. Because once you don't have no new nutrition, the nutrition program falls, you have no fertility, no more like road, the plant will come droopy. Remember hybrid, hybrid come like wild chicken. You feed them don't grow. You don't feed these plant nutrients, they don't grow. And what Grace did was to take away nutrients, and this one take away the mulch and nutrients also again.
You see, wash through a lot of crop for me, wash through time for me, wash through beetroot, damage the melon. So that's basically what damage for me. But a lot of people have a lot of things that damage.
Okay. So like your estimation in terms of money wise or how much in that respect you lose?
It's a whole lot, It's a whole lot. There's a big losses. You know, you cantilate that now. It will take me a while to really cantilate on that cantilever. Really last. You know, if you know say farming produce things is very expensive now for the farming. Like fertiliser expensive, spray expensive, you know, grass expensive. You understand, the water expensive. So it's a lot to lose.
Yeah.
When we lose a crop right now, it takes you a while before you can go back. Unless you have money put on other way. You can go take up and go back.
Yeah.
You know? We lose a whole lot.
Yeah.
You know? But the water run through, beetroot, no left back there. You have to go start over the time, mash it up, melon, heavy rain. You know, really wash through the melon, but it beat off the leaf, so you don't have nothing there. And if you don't have a leaf, you're not ripening. You know? So, lose a lot.
You're not telling by mouth much going.
Don't have to perform much better.
Oh God, it's good.
Yeah? Because the tree back off the breeze and all of this.
Heavy spraying.
Yeah, and then you know, it damage all the to go right back down now where the breeze.
All of them are dry down there now.
What dry side don't have to use it. Yeah. So I'm going to do some spray.
Everything. Pure dryness I know. You just have to just try. If you get 6 melon, you will know, so yeah. Maybe you'll see back a piece of the state, but not all.
So what you do now, it burn up the leaves and burn off the blossom. Yeah, burn up the leaf on the blossom and then it make the tomato them fall. Yeah. So this is the problem when we have. See them burn off all the blossom.
What's the cause it again?
Yeah.
What is the cause it?
The weather.
Oh.
The weather that falls.
The weather. That's what happened to all our food them today.
Yeah.
All of the food. So we have start spoil already.
So about how much land space of tomato you lose?
This is about a year. About a acre here, something. And then see what I do with the melon up there.
See melon and more.
But you can come over.
Just take a look at this because that is the bigger part of it.